Hello and welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Kim, and I have this really gorgeous wig today from Amanda Hair. The wig came in this box and the packaging is just cute. The box is cute, and when you open the box you see the wig and then they sent other things. This is not my first time of working with this brand. Like, this is my second time working with Amanda Hair, and the quality of their hair is always good. Like, the first time I did a review for them, the quality of the hair is good, and this hair did not fall short of that expectation. Okay, the hair quality is good, and this wig is a 22-inch 250 density deep wave wig, and is a 13x4 lace front wig. You guys see how gorgeous the coils are looking straight out of the box. See how good the hair is, as in this quality. The coils are just beautiful and popping. And this is what the lace net looks like. This is what the front of the wig looks like. It came a little bit pre-plucked, and this is the construction of the wig cap. It has 4 combs in it, and there's an adjustable strap that came with this wig cap, so you can wear the wig as a glueless kind of wig, like if you don't want to apply any form of glue in it. So right now I'm just going to do a little bit of customization to this wig, and when you get this wig, this is what the hairline looks like, as in straight out of the package. This is what it looks like, but I want to do something really different with this wig. As you guys know, this is new year, you know, so let's change a little bit. I'm going to pluck this wig just a little, not so much, just pluck it before I install this wig. So for the plucking process, I'm just going to apply water on the wig before I start, you know, plucking it. And this is not a detailed video on how to pluck your lace frontal wig. I'm just doing a little bit of plucking here, and for this gorgeous wig I'm going to leave all details of this wig in the description box, so you guys should head over to my description box and check more details or get more details on this wig. And if you've watched at this point of this video and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Please hit that like button and leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it.
Okay, for the lace net, I'm going to apply my powder on it. This will just make it blend perfectly well to my skin. So I'm just applying a little bit of my powder on it, just, you know, nothing too much. Just apply a little bit of my powder on it before I install the wig.
You mean it.
So this is what the wig looks like after the applying of powder and plucking. This is what it looks like, and this is what the hairline looks like. It's like more like what I want, and I'm just going to go ahead with this installation now. And for the installation of this wig, I'm using the Got2b glue to install this wig.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we.
So I'm just going to use my scissors and cut the lace nets because I want to apply the Got2b glue in sections. So I'm just going to cut the lace net before I start applying the Got2b glue.
Need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
After cutting out the lace net, I'm just going to reapply the Got2b glue on those parts that are lifting. Just apply it so that it will just melt very well. And after this application, I'm going to go ahead and just tie my elastic band on it to just make it melt properly. And then I'm going to use my red head wax stick to apply on the front of this wig. This will just, you know, make it melt properly. And I'm just going to use my hot comb to further flatten it down, just make it, you know, lay really flat. Now this is what it looks like after taking out the band. You guys can see how melted this is to my skin, and it looks so natural, guys. This is really beautiful. It just blends perfectly well to my skin. I'm going to apply water and foaming mush on this wig. This is just to like make the coils really juicy, and after applying it, I'm just using my hand. I'm going to use my hand to just open up the coils. For this wig, I'm going for a side part because it has a way of just bringing out my face, and I kind of like side part a lot too. So I'm going for a side part for this wig.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a dog to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts.
Yeah guys, after installing this wig, this is how gorgeous I am looking with this beautiful wig. Guys, this hair is so beautiful. The quality of this wig is good, and I'm going to leave all details of this wig in the description box for you guys. Okay, so just check my description box for more details on this wig. I love this wig, guys. The length is perfect, the texture, everything about this hair is good quality hair, and I so love the density, 250 density. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to style this wig, like show you guys the different styles I did with this wig. You can let me know in the comment section which of the styles you prefer, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment below, let me know the styles that you prefer in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.